Ladies and gentlemen, this is a fun video because we're doing a review on Ryobi's $170 pressure washer. If you guys watch the channel, you guys know this is an upgrade to my current setup. I have the 1.2 gallon per minute Ryobi pressure washer right now, 1800 PSI, which I believe is like $100 when I bought it. But this is an upgrade, and this is actually marketed as an Automotive pressure washer. So I'm excited. I've had my eye on this exact pressure washer for quite a while. Finally decided to pull the trigger on it. This is not sponsored. I spent my own hard-earned dollars on it. So let's give it an unboxing and review. Like I said, it is marketed as an Automotive pressure washer. Some goodies as far as the accessories. Ooh, better ergonomic handle than the old one. It's got quick connect for this guy. It's angled. Nice. And it also comes with a 40-foot hose. Now, for the sake of this review and unboxing, I'm going to be testing everything on my 2014 Audi R8. We're doing a full wash. It's due for it. It's disgusting. But we're using everything in this box. Now, I have a pressure washer setup that I love with the hose and handle and everything that I use all the time. We're going to use all the Ryobi stuff, because it comes with it all. This is 2 times longer than the old one. This thing is long enough to get around your entire car. I anticipate we're gonna have no issue doing that. So I'm going to set this up, and then we're gonna get a real world wash. It looks to be the exact same thing so far in terms of like the size of my old one, which is sitting over there. Oh yeah, it comes with a foam cannon too. We're gonna use the foam cannon today, guys. We're gonna see if this is good. I have a separate foam cannon that I love, that I use all the time. Today, we're using, like I said, all the Ryobi stuff. This was $170, like I said, not sponsored, just a straight up review. I do not get any commission. If you guys go to Home Depot, I think it's the cheapest you're gonna find it. I think on Amazon, they're actually more expensive. So I'll link it, non-affiliate, link in the description. Ooh, these are cool. I've seen these before, but I've not used them. So we've got a few different angled tips. So if you get too close to your paint on accident, you don't hurt anything. I believe that's what these are for. We've got 40 degrees, 25, and 15. I guess we'll use those too. I have not attached the actual handle to this guy yet, but it's a normal size. What I'm gonna do is a full review, like I said, on this and everything this comes with, and then I have a couple upgrades that are actually already here behind the camera and in the mail. I'm gonna be doing a wall-mounted pressure washing setup. So we're gonna mount this, have a retractable hose reel, and all the other goodies to make my DIY pressure washing setup 10 out of 10. Because I like making my life easy. I'm gonna have to switch my quick connects. You know what, guys, I thought about it, and I think that would be cheating if I use my quick connects. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use everything exactly how it came from the box and use it just plug and play as it came. 40-foot hose, this is so nice. This is much better quality, I can tell, than the one I had previous. So that's, off the bat, just better. Hose goes into the back one here. Looks like it has a filter on there, that's pretty cool. Set it up with the 40 degree. This all is so simple. There's the old unit. This is the new one. Got everything turned on. I'm gonna release all the air from inside. I also got a new hose. Matches the Ryobi green. All right, let's turn this thing on, get it pressurized. I like that. I like that 10 times better already. That is nice. All right, I'm gonna pull my car out and we're gonna hit it. Quick connects make it easy. All right, let's talk about it. 10 out of 10, to be honest with you, as far as the pressure, the water, the flow, the overall feel of the wand and the pressure washer itself. Can't beat it. For 170 bucks, absolutely cannot beat it. Where it lacks, in my opinion, is the foam cannon. Now, again, it's not supposed to be 100% perfect right out of the box, but it does come with it. It's nice. Most people are gonna throw it away anyways. I have one sitting up there that I got off Amazon for $17 and I absolutely love. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna link all the accessories I use down in the description. But for an out-of-the-box unit, it does the job, right? I literally didn't even do a touch or contact wash on this car. I just foam cannoned and rinsed it off with what we had in the Ryobi box, and it did it. I mean, it did the job. This car is ceramic coated. It makes it quite easy to do a contactless wash, but overall, I mean, for $170, like that's awesome. This is the old one that's going kaput. So I'm going to change, like I said, the whole setup, but the biggest thing is the quick connect in the front, so it makes it easier. And then I did upgrade the hose. We're gonna mount it on the wall, either down there or if I can fit it right there. That might be a couple videos down the road, but we're gonna mount a hose reel, use this upgraded pressure washer hose, mount the unit itself, and get in business with the DIY wall mount setup. So overall, out of 10, I would have to rate it an 8.9 out of 10. Because of the price, the value, the accessories are the only thing that lacks, but for a very little cost. Literally, that thing up there cost me $17 and it's 10 out of 10. So the hose is 40 feet long, it's all you need. The pressure, the wand, everything is good. These I do really enjoy as well. It made it feel like it was a more kind of premium experience, just like having the water visually at that angle. It was cool. 8.9 out of 10. Value is there. If you have no pressure washer setup, this is absolutely a good one to have. If you're thinking about upgrading your current setup like I'm doing, get the accessories. I think for under 350 bucks total, you're gonna have a good DIY setup. So like I said, if you guys are interested in this sort of stuff, feel free to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be building that here shortly. If you guys like the R8 and different content like that, hit subscribe. Hope this video was helpful. I like doing product review stuff, so if you want to see more of that, stick around and watch some more. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Till the next video, ladies and gents, we'll see you.